This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap for Wednesday, July 11th, 2007. Stocks rebounded as bond markets fizzled out, calming investors regarding a worldwide flight to quality move. The Dow Jones finished higher by 76 points, closing at 13,577. NASDAQ gained about 13, and it closed at 2651, while the S&P 500 was higher by 8.5, ending the session at 1518. The Energy Department reported that crude supplies fell by 1.4 million barrels to 352.6 million barrels for the week ending July 6. Crude supplies were expected to rise. Motor gasoline supplies rose by 1.2 million barrels to 205.6, and distillate supplies rose by 0.8 million barrels to 122.4. U.S. mortgage applications rose last week, fueled by increased demand for home purchase loans, even as interest rates hit their highest level in nearly a year. The Mortgage Bankers Association set its seasonally adjusted index of mortgage applications, which includes both purchasing and refinancing loans for the week, and the July 6th increased 1.1% to 626.2. The National Association of Realtors say construction of single-family homes will probably decline for third straight year in 2008. The Realtors' July forecast is more pessimistic than their June forecast in nearly every aspect. Housing starts are expected to drop 20.6% in 2007 and rise 0.6% in 2008. Starts of single-family homes are expected to fall 23.3% this year and 1.3% the next. Sales of existing homes are expected to fall 5.6% this year and rise 4.2% next year. Tenet Healthcare Group has signed a national agreement with insurance provider Aetna to cover Tenet's facilities. The agreement covers acute care hospitals, rehabilitation hospitals, specialty hospitals, outpatient centers, and employed physicians' practices, which adds 9 hospitals to Aetna's direct provider network. The coverage includes all of Aetna's insurance products. Chaparral Steel has accepted a $4.2 billion takeover offer from Canada's Gerdau and Ristel in the latest consolidation move in the steel industry. Chaparral announced that the boards of both companies have approved the acquisition for $86 per share in cash. That was a 14% premium over Chaparral's closing price on Tuesday. In earnings news today, Newmont Mining Corp., one of the world's largest gold mining companies, reaffirmed its sales expectations for 2007, while suggesting that second quarter earnings will be similar to the first quarter. The company also reaffirmed its previous guidance of sales between 5.2 million and 5.6 million equity gold ounces at cost applicable to sales of between $375 and $400 an ounce. Scheduled economic reports for Thursday include the initial jobless claims data for the week of July 7th, the trade gap for the month of May, and the Treasury budget for the month of June. As for our earnings report, we have Fleetwood Enterprises, Bank of the Ozarks, Marriott International, Saba Software, Samsung Electronics, Texas Industries, and Franklin Covey. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap for Wednesday, June 11th, 2007.